Hey guys, Jake here. We're at Pear Tree Ranch and we want to invite you to our course schedule January, February, and March 2023. What do we got going for you to come get out of the cold up north or out west or east coast, midwest? Come to Florida, get out of the cold. We've got in January 2 course options. We've got week 1, Liberty. Come learn about how to have liberty with your horse, starting in the round pen, building to bigger and bigger and bigger spaces. How would you sequence that? Why would you want to do that? We're going to talk about all of those things and help you and your horse build all that connection at liberty, no ropes attached. Course 2 is going to be bridleless riding. Why would you want to do bridleless riding? Well, if you don't need the bridle to control your horse, you can use your seat and legs to do all of that, and your horse can be calm, connected, relaxed, responsive. All of a sudden, these reins can just do some shaping and help make it look extra sexy. Now, in February, we've got Train the Trainers. That's a 2-week-long course versus you could have 1 week of bridleless riding, 1 week of liberty, or you could do 2 weeks in a row if you want. Train the Trainers, that's a 2-week-long course, and that's for everybody, not just people that want to be trainers, but we're going to be learning about what would it take to be a trainer. What is it like to handle different horses that are not just your own, that you've gotten really comfortable and maybe complacent with. Bring your horse. In the morning, we're going to do training horses. In the afternoons, we're going to be working on your horse or lease horse that you find locally. It's going to be a great course to really dive into sequencing, reading horses, working where they're at, and progressing them to where we want them to get. Now, in March, we've got Handy Horse, Handy Human. That's one of my favorites. We're going to be swinging ropes, opening and closing gates, dragging obstacles, moving the cows around, doing some fun, real legit cowboy stuff. And then we've got our trail riding experience. The trail riding experience is going to be getting your horse and you together, getting the whole class together as a herd where we can start riding and doing some maneuvers and exercises here in the arena and around the ranch. And we're going to build up to then having 3 days of trailering out, checking out the sights all around beautiful sunny Florida. There's some great trailheads close by, and I guess we should probably go ride on the beach for the last day. What do you say about that? I'm excited and we can't wait to have you. So pack up, bring your horses south for the winter, come hang out with us. All the details are encased in the events that we have put up on Facebook for you. You can contact us on Facebook. You can contact Steph at jakespeartreeranch.com or Jake at jakespeartreeranch.com. We would love to give you more information and get you signed up for our courses January, February, and March 2023. We'll see you there.